how to remove texture on Roblox. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to click on your Windows logo at the bottom of your screen, and once inside you can just go ahead and search for Roblox. And you want to click on open file location. In my case, I'll just go ahead and click on the Roblox Studio. It will then take us to this page right here. Once again, just go ahead and right click this application, click on open file location. Now inside, we will then be taken to this page. You can just go back by clicking on the Roblox at the top of your folders, and from here you want to click on view. Inside view, click on file name extension. You want to make sure that this option is checked. Go ahead and right click the folder right here, and you want to create a new folder. Now you can just go ahead and make sure that you type exactly what I'm typing right here, which is client settings. It is capital C and capital S, and it ends with S on settings. So you can just go ahead and hit on enter. Since I already have the client settings folder right here, I'll just go ahead and erase this one. Right after that, open the client settings folder, and inside you can just go ahead and create a text document, and from here you want to name it client app settings, and you can just go ahead and change the file name right here as JSON, which is JSON. Hit on enter, and if this message shows up, you can just go ahead and click on OK. Now go ahead and double click the file that we have made right here, and a text document will show up. In my case, it show up with this application right here, but basically inside that text document, you can just go ahead and paste the code that I've left on the comment or description down below. Right after that, click on the X button and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.